stock bike, except for that weird funky stuff going on the
Hey,
exhaust pipe.
Don't make fun of my heat shielding.
Modified bike. Headlight guard, crash bars, skid plate, GPS mount. We're going to show you how to do all that. We tried to pick what we thought would be best for serious off-road touring. So let's get to some install and show you, and we'll talk a little bit more about each thing in its individual install video and why we picked that particular product. But yeah, I think you'll like it.